In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify customers. Shopify Help Center. Let's start by opening your Shopify admin in a web browser. Once you're in your dashboard, click Shopify Help Center. This opens the official resource hub where Shopify documents every feature and common workflow. On the Help Center landing page, click the highlighted area you see on screen so we can continue into the main help experience. Before we browse topics, open Service Disruptions at Shopify. This page lets you quickly check platform status and any ongoing incidents. If you're ever unsure whether an issue is on your side or a wider outage, this is the fastest way to confirm. Now, go back and choose Browse by Topic. If the site collapses or reloads the list, just click Browse by Topic again until the full catalog appears. You should now see a grid of categories designed to group related guidance. Click Apps to explore installing apps, managing permissions, and resolving conflicts. Next, open your account for plan details, billing profiles, and security settings. Choose domains to connect, transfer, or verify your store's web address. Head into Online Store for themes, navigation, and content customization. Then select Products to learn about variants, inventory, and collections. Open Payments for gateways, payouts, and currency settings. Continue with Shopify Checkout to configure checkout rules, customer accounts, and customization options. Choose Orders and Shipping to manage fulfillment, labels, and returns. Visit Point of Sale, or POS, for in-person selling, hardware, and syncing with your online catalog. Open Marketing and Promotions to set up discounts, email, and automations. Then select Sales Channels to connect marketplaces and social channels. Check reports and analytics for performance dashboards, export tips, and metrics definitions. Now, go to Customers. This section is key. It covers customer profiles, segmentation, saved addresses, and communication preferences, so you can understand buyers and personalize outreach while staying compliant. After that, open Taxes and Duties for region-specific tax rules and import fees. Select Finances to review payouts, fees, and statements. Choose B2B to manage company profiles, catalogs, and payment terms. Open Compliance to learn about data privacy, consent, and legal requirements. Finally, visit Partner Directory to find vetted experts if you need hands-on help. As you navigate, use the search bar to jump straight to an article and look for checklists or examples within each guide. That's the tour. You now know exactly where to find authoritative answers in the Shopify Help Center, especially for managing your customers with